Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a little tutorial video on how to install one of the 3.5 Ghost race connectors. It's a really simple process, but first let's start by ensuring that our chamber is empty and we are clear, which we are. Gonna break down the firearm, which is quite simple on the Glock actually. What we're going to do is we're going to take out all of the pins here. So let's start by taking out our trigger pin. And sometimes it can be a pain in the ass. We may have to beat on it, which is alright. Let's try the other way. There she goes. As you can see, I already took the other pin out before the video even started. Here we go. Really fast process actually. You can go ahead and take that out. We're going to take that out. We're going to pull the whole thing out. Put our gun to the side. Now, this part is quite simple too actually. What we're going to do is, if you see it right there, we're just going to kind of pull it forward, pull it out, just like that. Now when you flip it over, you'll see the back of that connector. The back of it, what you do is just going to push it. And as you see there, it just pops right out. I'll set that to the side. We're going to flip it back over. And we're just going to push it on through. As you see there, the spring is disconnected from here, which is quite simple to fix. We're just going to pull it right back on there. Just like that. Now, we're going to put it in the same way we took it out, just backwards. And there she is. We're going to put everything back in, one by one. I'm going to put the bottom one in first. There she is. Now, we're going to put the top one in. As you notice, that spring from the slide lock sticks up a little bit in the way of the pin. You got to push that down. And then of course you put your pin in there, but I got another video coming up on something with that, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it out. But there she is. We'll put our slide lock, slide back, and she's set. Thanks for watching YouTube. Good luck.